Cross here to episode 6 of Fiesta Refurb. So in the last episode I waffled a lot and I got the head ready to go back on the engine. And while I've got the room here, I'm just giving it all a bit of a clean. Brand new head bolts. The reason they're new is because once they're tightened, they stretch, so head bolts are single use only. At this point, I'm just tightening them most of the way up. Just saves a load of manual ratcheting, really. As you might be able to guess, I really love this tool. Okay. And the head bolts are done in 2 stages, and then plus an angle. 1. Ah, ah, ah. 2. Ah, ah, ah. 10. They're also done in a set pattern, working from inside out, which is obviously the opposite of how it came off in the first place, which was outside in. So here's the second stage. Now, 260. And now here comes the angle, which is 260 degrees. No, not 270. That would have been much easier. what I did was mark at 12 o'clock the bolt and basically tightened it up until it was nearly 270 degrees. Problem was, that's quite tight, so the engine was dancing all over the place. So I enlisted some help. All I need to do is kind of stop. I need to turn, it's turning the engine, so hold, and you'll see what happens in a second. Okay, it just turns. Well, that's probably not going to be enough. We'll see.
Flipping out, I can't do that bit.
It's hard, isn't it?
Jesus. Why does it get so heavy like?
It gets tight because these bolts. Right, what happens is you've seen inside the cylinders, the explosions happen, and this has to keep it sealed. That's why it's so
tight.
But
how do you remember to which one you've done and not done?
Because I'm doing them in order. We're on number 6.
Yeah, now we're on 7.
Well, not yet.
Well, after it's next to 3, and I don't even know where 3 was.
Stop pushing now.
But I do know where stuff is.
And yes, they have to be done in the same order as they were talked up to begin with. Okay, hold it with one hand then, and hold the phone with the other. engines don't run on bread. Can you put the light in there? Oh, this one's a toughie. Because I can't even get. So we'll do. So we'll get that one over to there. Okay, hold it then.
Hang on, I need this bit. No, hang on.
Oh.
God, it's moving a lot.
Yeah. A little bit more for luck. A bit more light. Perfect. A 5.
Yay. Wait, is your phone recording?
Certainly is. It's going to go on YouTube's. Yeah, thank you for that. That was a massive help.
You want a bit?
No, I go on it.
Because I can tell by you sweating your head off.
I am, yeah. Okay. Oh, this is very exciting. So with the head on, it's time to get on to the other bits. So this is the old water pump coming off. Thank you very much. So the Haynes manual told me to clean the surface, which makes sense, and then use some silicone sealant, which also makes sense, except probably don't need to with the crush gasket that comes with it. So, oh well. Nice shiny new water pump. And let's look up the torque settings. Next stage, let's get the fuel pump back on. Not forgetting various brackets and the primary fuel pump metal hose. Gonna call it there. So in the next episode, we should be able to finish off the engine rebuild. See you next time.